I got it.
Welcome back. We've got a really fun event coming up, and I've got two guys in here this morning to give you all the details. We've got Michael Hendricks and David Clevenger here to tell us about a big bike, car, and a big show coming up.
Yeah, go ahead, Michael.
You want me to do it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, put me on the spot.
The name of it, Boomtown.
Yes, the Boomtown Bike, Car, Truck Show. It's something that we started back in 2020. We started it in the memory of his late wife, who passed away on July 4th. That's why we have the Glenna's Choice Trophy. All the money that we raise goes to the foundation that we started in her name to help give back to our community and the kids in our local area.
Let's talk a little bit about this foundation.
Okay.
How are you giving back to the kids in the area?
We do several different things. You know, we've teamed up with a couple local places, and we go shoe shopping for kids right before school. We'll take them and buy them new shoes and socks. Backpacks for kids, you know, or there's several people out in the community, they'll reach out to us and say, hey, we know this family that can't afford Christmas for their children, and we'll try to donate to them to help provide Christmas for those children as well. It's all about giving back to our community.
Is this something that Glenna was particularly involved with when
Very,
she was alive?
very. She was always, anybody that knows her, she was always saying, honey, I'd come home, she'd be like, honey, don't get mad at me, but I did this for so-and-so family, or I did this for so-and-so, and she was all about the children. And there's no child that should suffer if they can't afford, you know, sports, anything like that.
Yeah.
So she was all about the kids, so that's a way to keep her memory alive.
That's awesome. Okay, so real quickly, let's talk about this car show that's coming up, Bike and Car Show. Can you still get registered for it? What do you need to do?
Yes, you can still pre-register. It's $10. You can do it at Gearhead Auto Sales. That's his car lot. Or we have an Eventbrite website that you can still do it at. And you can register day of. That's going to be $20 day of.
And there's multiple classes?
Multiple classes. We have several different classes, Jeeps, people who ran out of money and didn't quite get their car finished. We got you hooked up. That's a sample of one of our trophies. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of classes this year.
Okay, awesome. And you guys are going to be raffling off a Harley.
Yes.
Yes.
A 2014 883 Harley Davidson Sportster. It's a retail around, or trade-in value is about $7,000 bike. So wow. We're going to be giving that away. $20 will get you in the drawing.
That's awesome. Of course, you can find more information about all this and where to register on our website later this morning on the morning show page, KOAMnewsnow.com. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for having us.
Hope you have a good show this weekend.
Awesome.
All right, we'll be right back.